Here we're going to talk about system changeovers. For the first system changeover, we're going to talk about a lower to a raise. So you're going to begin lowering through the rack. You should see that the system on the rigging plate starts to shift onto the eraser. Once the rate is on the eraser, you can begin to start removing your line from the rack system. At the same time, you're going to set up your prusik onto the main line for your Z-rig. So you're going to tie your prusik onto the main line. Hook in your carabiner. And you're going to hook that onto your pulley. Hook your pulley onto the line. And you are going to pull on your line, remove the eraser from the system, and you will have your system loaded onto your raise. Then you're going to remove your eraser completely from the line, and you are ready to raise your load. And that is a changeover from a lower to a raise. You set your line, and now we're going to go over the raise to a lower changeover. So you're going to set your prusik with your eraser. Hook your prusik onto your eraser through the carabiner. I will go ahead and set your eraser as far as you can, so that's a lower amount of reverse haul that you're going to have to do. You're going to pull on your system and you're going to reverse haul until that gets into the eraser. At this point, you could remove your Z-rig from the system, remove your change of direction. Now, with some tension applied, you're going to place your line into your lower system. For this, we're going to use the rack, so we're going to place our line into the rack. So again, create that tension, so that's less amount of changing that you're going to have to make when you're swapping over from the eraser to the rack. Then you're going to tie off your rack. For the tie off, we're going to use a half hitch and an overhand. Once this is tied off, you're going to haul and reverse haul into your rack. Now all the tension should be on your rack, your load is on your rack, you remove the eraser. Once the eraser is removed, we'll move to Z-rig. Now your system is set up for a lower. Thank you.